fucking hell.
I've done it. This doesn't make sense, man.
Shit.
I joined it. Oh, whatever. Join bundle oil server. Join.
Try it, Bunky.
I can't be bothered with that. Oh, there we go. Now it fucking comes up. Wouldn't load.
What the fuck is that noise?
Get it here.
Help. It won't stop. My iPad's crashed. Oh, I can just turn down the volume.
Zeki, here's what I'm
1996.
about, man.
What?
Zeki,
Hello, my friend.
Zeki, I need
How
help,
are you
I've got a
doing?
problem.
Yeah, you probably have not. What?
Dude, don't be a dick, man.
I mean, Dick, man, even though you're always a dick about Jews and blacks and
You're not
everything.
black, you're not Jewish, so
I
why
don't
does it
care,
matter?
you're still being a dick.
What is this?
No.
Alright, what website did you say this was like part of?
Leave.io.
Because it's linked me to bundle stars.
Don't
what
press
is-
to get it here, but it's below that.
Hey, Zeki.
What?
Zeki.
What is
Below
it? Buffett? Join the group on Steam.
Zeki,
Yeah.
Zeki.
What?
It sends me to groups, yeah?
Yeah.
So what I do is I click join bundle stars on Steam. Click it again to go to it. Join bundle stars. I go to it. I join it,
And you press continue.
and then I press continue, and then it instantly puts me back in it and says I need to do bundle all stars.
I can't be bothered. Don't even want that game.
Oh.
Yeah, but I've been explaining to you why it's not working. Continue. I'm in the group, you piece of shit.
It instantly worked for me.
I'm in the group though. What is this bullshit? Dude, you can actually see I'm in the group.
Did you sign up your Steam?
Yes, I did. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, and my Steam is linked. What? No, yeah, it is. I can't. I can't. All I can do is check out Bundle Fest.
Try
All I can do.
refreshing.
Refresh. Nope, still only Bundle Fest. No. I will tell you what I do. I click.
Take a picture.
Take a picture of what?
What do you fucking think?
Of every single step?
Yeah.
No, I can't be arsed. I'll do a join me. The site says, literally, click join lots of giveaways. Click. Yeah, I've clicked it.
Start join me.
Then, just listen. Join group. Joined group. I'm in this group. I am certain I'm in this group. It's saying invite friends. Tab back, press continue, and then it just spins. Yeah, I'll do a join me. You'll see. I'm not doing anything wrong. It's this thing. It's this thing bugged out for me. So,
Go try Control F5.
what's that do?
It fully refreshes.
No. Wait, Zaki, I've got to join me up.
Right, what's the code?
Oh, hang on. No, it's not actually up. I thought it was. Run.
I know where you are.
What?
You beat some.
Join me could not. Connecting, okay. 933
933
589
589
489.
489.
How are you guys playing again?
You in?
Just wait, it's joining.
Okay.
Right.
Watch. Click. Lots of giveaways. Join.
Oh, you're doing the wrong thing, I think. Right, go back to it.
Yeah.
Right. Press continue. Okay. Now, yeah. See what you mean. Right, give me mouse control because I don't know. Maybe I can do something. Right, where's it? Oh. Double kill. Billy. What did you say about the question mark thing?